Want to bring your crew together in one place? Learn how to create a fun and engaging Discord group chat in just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to make a group chat on Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, launch the Discord app on your device. Log into your account if you are not already signed in. Tap the new message icon indicated by a plus icon in the bottom right corner. From the next screen, select New Group option. Scroll through your friend list or use the search bar to find the specific user. Tap on the names of the friend you want to include in the group chat. Once you have selected everyone, tap on the Create option at the top right. Now type your message in the chat box. And hit Send to start chatting. So this is how to make a group chat on Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.